Hello students, welcome again. In this session I am going to discuss about third main of exercise 9.2. Third main of exercise 9.2. The heading of the third main is find the product. What do you mean by product? Product means whenever you multiply any two numbers, whatever the result you get is known as a product. So you need to multiply two rational numbers here and you have to find the answer. In third main, total 6 problems are there. Out of 6 problems, I am discussing 4 problems. First, second, third, fourth, and sixth. Fourth and sixth. Remaining, remaining you can, out of 6, I am showing you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only one problem I am giving you as a homework. You can try fifth one yourself. Okay. Side by side also you can try in your notebook. The first question is 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. 9 by 2 is a positive rational number. Into is the, or multiplication sign is the operation. We have to multiply. It is the operation. And this is a negative rational number inside a bracket. Whatever it may be addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, any problem it may be, our first duty is to open up the bracket by multiplying the outside sign with the inside sign. Okay, look here. Solution 9 by 2 as it is into as it is. Now outside plus is there, nothing means plus into minus 7 by 4 plus into minus is minus 7 by 4. Now in multiplication, always remember in multiplication we don't equate denominator na equal ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Addition ಮತ್ತು subtraction ಅಷ್ಟೇ equal ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So it is a multiplication problem. We don't equate directly numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 9 into minus 7, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, 2 into 4. So before multiplying any two numbers, multiply its sign. Plus into minus, 9 sevens are 63, 2 fours are 8. So our answer is minus 63 by 8 is our answer. Okay, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, that's it. Next, move to second problem. 3 by 10 into minus 9. Minus 9 means what here? It's a minus 9 by 1. Solution 3 by 10 into, open, plus into minus, that is a minus 9 by 1. Okay. In next step, what I am going to do? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, 10 into 1, which is nothing but 3 into minus 9 plus into minus is a minus, 3 9s are 27, 10 into 1 10. Our answer is minus 27 by 10 is our answer. Okay. Next, move to third problem. Direct negative fraction into positive fraction, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, minus into plus, minus 6 9s are 54, 5 into 11, or plus into plus only, 5 into 11 55. Our answer is 54 by 55. If is there any chance to cancel, otherwise don't worry. Next, come to fourth main. 3 by 7, it's a positive rational number, into, inside bracket negative rational number is there, right? So what you need to do? 3 by 7 as it is, you need to open it into, plus into minus is minus, that is minus 2 by 5 will come outside, minus 2 by 5. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, 3 into 3 plus into minus, 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 35. right? Next, last problem of this main, negative rational number, but the negative sign is in the denominator, that's it. It is also negative rational number, but the negative sign is on the numerator. You can solve this problem in two ways. In first way, you can transfer this negative sign from denominator to numerator, that is a one way. In second way, you can multiply as it is only. Okay, I will choose the first way because it helps in addition also. I will take 3 by minus 5. I will transfer this minus here, that's it. I am making a small change in the question. Instead of 3 by minus 5, I am transferring this minus here, 3 minus 3 by 5 into, this is minus 5 by 3. Already it is like that. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, minus 3 into minus 5 divided by 5 into 3. Minus into minus, plus 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Now you can cancel now, 15 1s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 1s are 15, 15 1s are 15. So plus 1 plus 1. Okay, I gave only one homework. You can try yourself and check your answer with the textbook answer. If you have any doubt, you can send one message to me. Okay, in next video I will meet you with the fourth main. Okay, thank you and all. Have a nice day. Bye.